I like to do some palm trees. Maybe I'll do some bright. Just want to have a bright, unique palm tree painting, something that you want to hang on the wall. So I think I'll get started.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like
So I'm working on the paintings here.
won't bother hiding my bruises.
So like I said, I wanted this to be like a really
It's your chance to be ruthless.
bright painting. So I wanted this up here, the sky area, a little, vibrant, and down here I still want it light, but I want it a little darker than the sky. So I'm putting in, mixing a little bit of pink with a lot of white, and also orange and a lot of white. Probably add one more color. Like 3 really light colors for the sky. And I'll do there's gonna be more than 3 colors down here, but I want to keep this a little darker. And then I want my trees to be pretty dark also, so when you're looking at it, the trees will pop out. But it's really important for this one, for the sky to be really light colored. Really light. So I want the sun to appear like the sun is coming off from the right, and it's coming this way. It could be a sunset, on the palms. Maybe that's what I'll name this, sunset on the palm trees, something like that. I'm just doing, I want it to look like sun rays. So I'm moving on here. So I did decide to go with like a light yellow for my other color up here in the sky. So trying to keep this yellow pretty light. It sure doesn't take much yellow to make it almost too yellow. So I'm doing one painting a week. I just got so excited for for this painting. I've been painting some, I'm gonna move this up so you can see the sky a little more. I've been doing some Florida landscape lately. Once in a while I just get excited to do bright colors again. That's always seems like I always go back to my bright color painting. There's something I can run with color. I love bright colors in my painting. So this is probably the last color I'm adding to my sky. Then I'll have to give the palm trees some more character. You don't want your painting to be boring. You want it to have a lot of character. And I'm just learning all my color shades of different colors. I'm trying to give this some character. The palm trees is going to need some more character. And of course down here. Also, if you watch my painting videos, I was thinking about my art channel. I have a lot of fishing videos on there with my art, and I was thinking about making it separate channel just for my fishing, because some people might watch my fishing videos and might not want to watch the painting videos. So if you watch my videos and just leave a comment, let me know if you want to see the two channels be separated. I would start up another channel just for my fishing and keep this channel for my artwork. Probably do quite a bit of fishing in the month of February. I'm trying to do one painting a week. Sometimes I get pretty excited to do another painting, like this one. This is my second one for this week. I'm hoping to have this one done already this week, by the end of this week. I just work on it in the evenings, and some mornings when I wake up early, I'll come out here and try to get a little bit of painting in. You know, a little bit every day really goes a long way. So I'm done with the painting now. I think I'll call this one Sunset Palms. It's got a lot of bright colors on it. Down here I got the shadows from the trees. A little bit of shadows on it. So the sun is coming from over here, and it looks like it's shining out. So on these palms, when you look at it, you can fill in a lot by looking at a painting like this. It kind of takes your imagination different places, like as far as when you almost like fill in the colors yourself when you're looking at a painting like this, because of all the different colors and the bright colors. So I just wanted to do this one for something different. I'll probably be adding this to my Florida collection. So hope you enjoyed the video.